Hi guys, welcome to my videos Crack the Electronics with Rajesh. So my first ever topic and the basic topic I'm going to cover you is the Ohm's law. Yeah, definitely. Everyone know in this learning electrical field or you are working in an electrical field. Yeah, everyone know the V is equal to I into R, the basic formula. So, okay, we all know voltage is equal to current into resistance. Yeah, we all know. So, what are you going to teach? Yeah, I am going to teach. First, we will deeply jump into the components of the Ohm's law. So, voltage. First topic we are going to do. So, basically, voltage unit is volt. We all know voltage unit is volt. So, the definition, yeah, definition is going to be potential difference. You guys right heard right? Potential difference between two points. This is the universal definition for voltage, right? So there will be a two points are there. So A and B. So the difference between these 2 points, we can get voltage. Okay guys, so if the voltage in a point A is minus 4 volt and the voltage in point B is going to be 5 volt, then what is the voltage? So the voltage is going to be VAB is equal to VB minus VA. So definitely it is going to be 5 minus of minus 4 is equal to 9 volt. So this is actual a formula. You can clearly do it, and if you are want to think like a pro, so for any basic thing the reference should be 0 volt. This is a ground line, so the 5 volt is the upper line. So if I want to push the electrons, if I want to push the electrons through the circuit, definitely I need voltage. Voltage is like a pressure given to move the electrons, you know, right? So 0 to 5 volt pressure I am giving here. What is going to happen, like 0 volt is the reference everywhere. Okay, now the minus 4 volt at point A represents there is a 4 volt deficiency on that point A. So the electrons flow, we have to move that electrons, we have to solve the deficiency. So again a 4 volt needed for that area, like needed for that electron flow. So the deficiency of 4 volt we are going to give, like we are going to add, then it is going to be 9 volt. So always think like the deficiency of the voltage we are satisfying, so it will always come to the point 9 volt. Okay, now you guys are clear. So now coming to the next one, if what is the point A voltage? Now you tell me, it is minus 4 volt? You don't know guys, because always remember the statement potential difference between the 2 points. So there is no thing like at a point, at a point. So remember, no one, if anyone question you like what is the voltage at a point, there is no voltage at a point. Voltage is always between the points. So remember, voltage is always going to be between, not at or single point. And the next thing in voltage we are going to see is definitely how voltage acts in series and parallel. Okay, so voltage always divide among components. Remember, if voltage is there, there is a components. It is a components of resistors R1, R2, R3. So voltage is going to divide. Some V1 will be there, and some V2 will be there, and some V3 will be there. So among series, voltage will have a drop. Among parallel circuit, voltage will remain same. V is equal to same. It won't divide. Here it will divide. This is the another concept. You have to understand it. So among the circuit, group of series component, what happens to voltage? Voltage is what? It will divide. Among parallel components, it is going to be same. Remember this, it will be helpful for every situations. Okay,